you're saving time, money, and it's a better, longer lasting product.
We have John from Ellingson Air Seeder Repair. John, pretty new to the air seeder game as far as having your own business. You've been doing this a long time though.
Yeah, about 5.5 years now. I've been doing repairs on them, but I just started my own business back in October of last year. It's been really good for us so far. I got 7 guys working for me. Worked in about 7 or 8 states so far, all over the place, from Washington down to Mississippi. And yeah, I got a really good group of guys, and we have fun with it. And it's good work. Working for farmers is probably the best people to work for are farmers, in my opinion. Honestly.
Absolutely, and you've kind of exploded a little bit with the Aricks product line. That's one of the things that we've certainly noticed. You've once you got your hands on Aricks, it seems like that just keeps growing. What makes you love the Aricks line so much?
Having reliable parts that are heavy duty and built to last. That's the big thing. I know all that stuff coming out of Australia. It's pretty rough conditions over there, and they came up with a bunch of products that they hold up.
So John's rebuilding drills all across the United States using the Aricks product line, and one of the big things he's been doing a lot of is this press wheel. So I wanted to ask John, why the Aricks press wheel? What's the advantages your customers are seeing?
Right. A few reasons here. You got a narrower profile compared to your OEM, so it helps you get down to the bottom of that seed trench a little bit better. It's a durable polyurethane tire. It's UV resistant, so it's going to hold up to not only sunlight, but debris and whatnot in the soil. It's going to help. It's not going to chip away and chew up like OEM rubber. Your bigger bearing in here, it's got a 6-lip sealed bearing that's better than OEM. It's going to hold up a lot longer. You're going to get more acres out of this wheel compared to OEM. All around better product, and they look pretty sharp too.
I like the orange. I saw the drill you're rebuilding over there. Just a full line of orange. That's
it looks good. It looks slick. Yep.
All right, down here recording the greatest hits from Ellingson Air Seeder Repair of the Aricks products that they like. What makes this one so special?
A few reasons. For one, they're thick. 100% thicker than OEM, so twice the thickness. Same amount of settings, same depth increments, still 1/4 inch. But instead of your OEM where it's a diagonal setting, these are all horizontal. So you don't have to do 2 and 2 or 2 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 4. It's all horizontal, easy. Look across the drill, they're numbered. You can tell exactly what depth setting they're all set to, so it's a lot easier to tell that they're all set where you need them to be. And yeah, they're heavy duty. They look slick too. I've not seen one of these wear out yet. I've not seen it, even over in Australia. I know they've been running these for a long time, and from what I've seen, they've held up tremendously well, especially compared to OEM. They're good stuff.
There you go. Heard it here first. All right, John, we've been talking about a bunch of different products that you've been doing with the Aricks when you're rebuilding drills, but one of the things your guys said was this is one of your favorite products. Why do you like this so much?
A few reasons. For one, greaseless. That's the biggest benefit over OEM. That's one of the most common issues guys run into with these, is that the depth will seize up and you can't change your depth if you're switching seed, planting a different crop. It takes a lot of downtime to go through and have to hammer the shafts and change your depth or bust out a pry bar. Takes a lot of time, but being greaseless, you don't run into that. There's a Teflon coating inside of the spindle, so there's no metal-on-metal contact inside that shaft and spindle. Another benefit is on this side. Instead of your OEM, it's only about that thick. Having that much extra thickness inside of the fork arm really kind of helps solidify that connection and keeps a lot of the slop out of there.
Is there any drills you're rebuilding that you're not using those?
No. If somebody's replacing their depth adjustment axle, I'm running Aricks. Absolutely.
You want your drill rebuilt, reach out. John will be happy to talk to you.
Absolutely. Thank you.